Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? Probably you are very good because you are taking preparation for your weekly exam. So let's start today's class. And today I will teach you about chapter 5, and the chapter is about photosynthesis. Okay. So here it is page 39. And I have written here what I taught you. It is chapter 5, photosynthesis, and page 49. Okay, so before starting this chapter and to talk about this chapter details, the chapter is about how trees prepare their food and the process by which trees prepare their food. In English, it is called photosynthesis. Photo means light and synthesis means analyze. So what is the meaning of photosynthesis? Photo means light. Okay, and synthesis means analyze. Okay, so photosynthesis, this means analysis of light. So here in photosynthesis, chlorophyll trap the sunlight and use the sunlight, the sun power, to produce their food in the plant's leaf. So this process performs in the presence of sunlight, water and carbon dioxide from air, and through stomata they collect carbon dioxide from air, and when they tree can make combination of air, water and sunlight, then chemical reaction occurred, and because of chemical reaction two things produce. One is oxygen and another is glucose. Okay, oxygen is released through stomata, and they store glucose as carbohydrate in the fruit, and we collect fruit, we eat that fruit. Okay, so the important question of photosynthesis: what is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is the process of preparing food by tree. So what are the essential elements of photosynthesis? So for photosynthesis, sunlight, air, water is important. For photosynthesis, sunlight, air, water important. Okay, so what is stomata? Stomata is the hole in the leaf. So there are microscopic hole, the hole that we cannot see in bare eye. These holes are called stomata, and through these stomata they exchange gases. They gases out oxygen, and they absorb carbon dioxide from air by this stomata. Okay, they do another thing, that is extra water. They gases out extra water in the form of vapor through this stomata. So stomata is a hole. Stomata is a hole of leaves. Okay, then what are the product of photosynthesis? Carbohydrate, and oxygen. These two are the product of photosynthesis. What are the phases of photosynthesis? Two phases. One is sunlight in the presence of sunlight means daytime, and another is at night. So photosynthesis at daytime and photosynthesis at night. Okay, which traps sunlight? Chlorophyll. Chlorophyll. So chlorophyll is a pigment, that is a green pigment in the leaves of the tree, that helps to trap the sunlight, and it helps tree to absorb the sun power. Okay, so again I am repeating, what is photosynthesis? The process by which tree produce their food. The process by which tree produce food. Okay, then what are the essential for photosynthesis? Sunlight, air, water is important for photosynthesis. Here I have drawn a picture of photosynthesis process. It is the sun giving light, and from taking the power of sunlight, chlorophyll traps the sun power. Then it is stomata, the back side of the leaf, whole, the whole. Okay, and carbon dioxide is gaseous in, means trees are absorbing carbon dioxide, and oxygen is gaseous out as the product of photosynthesis. So it is the back part of leaves. It is the back side of leaves. Okay, what are the product of photosynthesis? Carbohydrate and oxygen. These two are the product of photosynthesis. Again, I am repeating, carbohydrate and oxygen. These two are the product of photosynthesis. What are the phases? One is daytime, photosynthesis occurring in daytime, and another is photosynthesis occurring at night. So photosynthesis are of two types. One is light or photophase, another is dark phase. So it is light phase and another is dark phase. Okay, which traps sunlight? Chlorophyll. It is chlorophyll that traps sunlight. So which traps sunlight? It is chlorophyll that traps sunlight. It is chlorophyll that traps sunlight. So what are the phases of photosynthesis? There are two phases of photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? The process by which tree produces food. Okay? So students, this is all about chapter 5, and thank you for watching the video, for attending the class, and you take part in exam. Okay? Assalamu alaikum.